The Supreme Court today refused to entertain a writ petition challenging Section 4, Subsection 2 of the Places of Worship Act 1991, which states that any legal proceedings regarding the religious character of a place of worship, if initiated before 15th August 1947, must be terminated when the Act came into force. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna and Justice P.V. Sanjay Kumar noted that a similar challenge to the Act is already pending before the top court under the title Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay versus the Union of India. The court therefore declined to interfere in the present petition but granted the petitioner the liberty to file an application in the pending case. Let me tell you, another petition is pending before the top court which seeks implementation of the Act. In December last year, it passed an important interim order directing that no fresh suits or survey orders should be passed in cases concerning disputed religious sites like the Gyanvapi Mosque, Mathura Shahi Idgah, and Sambhal Jama Masjid. The original petition specifically contests that the Section 4.2 of Act violates fundamental rights by preventing the rightful recovery of temple properties that were allegedly misappropriated by other communities. That it takes away the power of the judiciary, which is a violation of the doctrine of separation of powers. The plea emphasizes that temple property under Hindu law remains the deity's property forever, even if occupied or controlled by others for years. The petitioner argues that the legislature cannot overrule judiciary's authority to hear and decide such matters. Stay tuned for more updates on this important legal battle.